Hello students, this is English High School Mejitra. Today I will teach 9th maths. Topic is polynomials. Exercise 4.5 and example problems also. Okay. In previous video already completed in example problems 23 and 24. Okay. Discuss about example 25 and exercise problems last main also. This is a this lesson last class. Okay. ಟೂ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ HW ಆಲ್ಸೋ 5 ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಟೇಬಲ್ಸು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಆನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 79. Example 25. Factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Okay, this is last example problems. Okay, see here example 25. Okay, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Okay, see here formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, this is last identity. Okay, this last identity apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, this is formula. Okay, this is last identity. 8th identity alva last identity. ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. x cube ಇದೆ, y cube ಇದೆ, z cube ಇದೆ, minus xyz ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ given value is x means 8x cube. 8 perfect cube is 2 to the power 4 to the 8. Okay, 2x. Y is equal to y plus y. Okay, y plus y. See, z means 27. Z cube is z. 27 perfect cube is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Okay, 3z cube. Okay, 3z cube. Okay, understood? 3z whole cube. X means here take z means 3z. Okay, z multiply 3 times you get z cube. Okay, 3z. Whenever x is there, that place take 2x, y plus take y, z plus you take 3z. Okay, you understood? See here x cube. X cube means 2x whole cube. Whole cube means 2 also power is there, x also power is there. Okay, y means y cube plus z means 3z whole cube minus 3 into x means 2x into y means y into z means 3z. Okay, equals here x means 2x plus y means y plus z means 3z. Okay, you understood? Here x means 2x whole square. Okay, plus y means y square plus z means 3z whole square. Okay, minus x means ನೀವು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, x means 2x into y means y, next minus y means y into z means 3z. Okay, next minus sign is a take minus sign. Z means 3z into x means 2x. Close the bracket. This is first step. See, next step is 2x. 2 is a perfect cube is 2 to the power 4 to the 8. X is x cube plus y cube. See here 3z cube. 3 multiply 3 times you get 3 is 9 and 3 is 27. Okay, z into z multiply 3 times z cube. 27z cube. Okay, you understood? See here minus into plus minus into plus minus you get minus sign. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Now numbers multiply complete ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ next variable. See, x y z, x into y, xy into z, xyz. Okay, you understood? Equals, see here 2x plus y, this is here x is there, here y is there, here z is there. This is unlike karnala, now unlike karna add or less madala, same as it is ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, you understood? Suppose here also x is there, you add. Okay, x plus y is a unlike terms. 2x plus y plus 3z. Okay, see here 2x whole square is there. 2 perfect square is 4. 2 to the 4. X into x, x square. Okay, y into y, y square. Okay, see here 3 perfect square is 3 3s are 9. Z into z, z square. Okay, see here plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2, x into y, xy. See here minus into plus, minus 3, here 1 is a 1, 3 is a 3, y into z, yz. Okay, see here minus into plus, minus 3 2s are 6, z into x, xz and zx. Okay, you understood? This is factorized. Okay, find out factors. See here 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz equals 2x plus y, 2x plus y plus 3z into 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6zx. Okay, you understood? Already find out factors. Okay, this is last example problems. See next exercise problems. Take on page number 81. Page number 81, 16th may see. What are the possible expressions for dimensions of cuboids whose volumes are given below? Okay, already see in main what are the possible expressions for the dimensions. You know dimensional figures. Dimensional figure means study of length, breadth, height are called a dimensional. Okay, now length, height, breadth ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ dimensional figures. Okay, here one dimensional means see this is point. Point is a no dimensional. Okay, point is a zero dimension. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Okay, point is a no dimensional. Okay, see this is straight line, no, only one dimensional, only one line is there, the straight line, no, only one dimensional. Okay, see here this is rectangular, no, rectangular is a length and breadth also 2 also is there, no, this is a 2, this is one dimensional, this is another dimensional. Okay, this is two dimensional. Okay, you understood? Dimensional means study the length, breadth, height is called a dimensional figures. Okay, zero point is not a no dimensional, point is a zero dimensional. Okay, point alli yavade dimensionals iralla. Straight line is a only one dimensional. Okay, see rectangular, square is a two dimensional. Here length and breadth also 2 also is there, no, this is a two dimensional. Okay, next okay, see here cuboid alva idu nimge already figures ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. This is three dimensional. Okay, length, breadth, height. Okay, this is breadth, this is length, this is height. Okay, this is three dimensional figure. Okay, you understood? Dimensional figures. Dimensional figures means study length, breadth, height is called a dimensional figure. Point is a no dimensional. Okay, straight line is a one dimensional. Rectangular or square is a two dimensional. See here cuboid is a three dimensional. See, this is one dimensional, this is another dimensional, this is third dimensional. Okay, you understood dimensional figures. Okay, see here what you find out on the see page number 81 last main. Okay, what are the possible expressions of the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below. Volumes already given is the volumes. Okay, volume is equal to, you find out volume is equal to length into breadth into height alva. Formula volume is equal to length into volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Find out length, breadth, height. Already given is a volume. How much volume? Here volume is a 3x square minus 12x is a given. Okay, you find out length, breadth, height. Okay, you understood? See here. Okay, this class you understood already completed example problem 25 problems, and you know also dimensional figures. Okay, see next class you complete the 16th main example exercise problems. 2 problems is there, no? You do next video. Okay, see you the next video. Thank you.